Hello, and welcome to another PILCast episode. Now, this episode was filmed at the National Contract Management Association's World Congress in Seattle, Washington in the summer of 2024. Now, at the conference, we asked federal employees what their favorite innovative procurement techniques were and why. So let's check it out, hear from them, and let's dive on in. The information discussed in this PILCast episode are merely opinions and do not constitute formal policy or legal guidance of any kind.
Yeah, so my favorite technique out of all of them probably is the comparative evaluation. I know a lot of people overcomplicate it, I think, and I think that it's a really useful tool to get rid of adjectival ratings, even confidence ratings.
My favorite innovative technique is the down select. I like it because it's good for small businesses. You get to the offers that are most qualified in the first phase, and it's faster. It saves small businesses and the government money because it's quicker and more efficient.
I'm going to go with confidence ratings because I think it's easier for the technical evaluation panel to figure out, how much they actually like the proposal, rather than having to count weaknesses or strengths to figure out if it's excellent or good. Just tell me, how did this proposal make you feel? What was your level of confidence? I feel like that's easier for the program office to articulate.
My favorite is Betterment. Betterment because I work in a lot of digital and highly technological areas, and that gives us the ability to capture the improvements a year or two down the line and integrate that into the existing award without having to do some real special moves or a new requirement. We can just incorporate it in.
Right now, the one that I'm seeing a lot of great results from are the Facilitated Acquisition Workshops. So one of the things that's super hard for teams is getting those requirements nailed down. And so participating in the workshops with GSA, seeing teams come together and folks that maybe haven't really talked before but are working kind of adjacent on the existing contract, coming together to transition to a performance-based solution and actually talking to one another. So really getting those stakeholders working together is a fantastic result of those workshops. So
I'm going to go with advisory down selects. Saves the government evaluators time and saves the industry time and money.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Now, if you would like a full-length information about any of the techniques talked about in this episode, check out the description box below where you can find that information. Also, if you have used any of these innovative procurement techniques before, let us know in the comments below. Let us know what you've used and why you like them as well to really get this conversation going. Well, thank you so much for stopping by. Be sure to like this video, share it with your friends, hit that subscribe button so you get all the latest updates. And we'll see you on the next PILCast episode. Bye now.